everyone, how are you today? Hope you're having a great one. I am going to make a cinnamon chai churro. Now this one you could totally make and on the go. Everything on this one is in stick form, and this is one I will definitely take on my trip with me. All right, I have Cinnamon Chai Churro Functional Latte. I have our Smooth Oat Creamer in the original form flavor. And then I have a Sweet Vanilla stick. Now, if you prefer not to have the sweet vanilla, there is also the traditional vanilla that is not sweetened. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put these all in our lovely cup here. And this one can be made hot or cold. Cinnamon Chai Churro is one of my very favorite functional lattes. I am a big fan of chai flavors and cinnamon, so this one is just right up my alley. And y'all, I'm just gonna keep adding sticks to it. I've got my sweet vanilla here. We're gonna go ahead and open that up and put it in. And these are all, oops, I didn't tear that, right? These are all self-contained, right? So they're lined with aluminum so that it doesn't stick to the inside of the packaging. And these will, gosh, because they are all sealed together, like, these will last forever. Even past their expiration date, I have used them. All right, so there we go. Here is our oat creamer. I am so picky on my creamers. And I was thrilled when we came out with these because, again, when I travel or I'm on the go, there's not a whole lot of options, right? So like if I'm going to the airport, I will take my big sip. I will put these all in there. When I get in there, I can fill it with cold water. I can usually grab some ice from one of the vendors, and I have a tremendous drink, and I have not paid airport prices. All right, let's go ahead and throw in our water. Now, if I was doing this in my big sip, I would just shake everything, but I'm at home, so I'm using my electric whisk. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. And if you do not have our electric whisk and you're debating on it, I'm gonna tell you, it is one of the best ones I have found on the market. Before we came out with them, I was ordering them just like off of Amazon, right? I'd spend $14, $15 right in that neighborhood, and guys, like within a month, they just died on me. These are lasting close to a year, at least for me. Usually within that year, the reason why they die is because somehow it's got knocked in water. And I don't realize it right away, and there's just no saving it, right? So don't put the full thing in the dishwasher or in your sudsy sink water, and know that you can take this apart so that you can clean it. Just make sure not to get this portion wet. And then on the bottom is where your batteries are housed. You just take that off, and there are two AAA batteries is what they take. All right, I'll mess with that and put it back. Okay, but my drink is done. How good does that look? I have all kinds of vitamins and minerals in here between the matcha and the functional latte. If you've never had functional latte, maca root and lucuma are in it, and they're super high in vitamins and minerals also. Plus, the maca root helps to support your hormones. And I have a wonderful tasting latte on the go, and I am getting all my clean, focused energy out of this drink. All right, let's have a sip. Oh yeah, that makes my taste buds happy. All right, I'm off to drink my Cinnamon Chai Churro Latte, and I will see you later.